Hi students, today we are going to discuss last few topics from the chapter Periodic Classifications of Elements. So we were doing periodic trends in physical properties. We discussed how atomic radius, okay, so it varies across the period down the group. And we did for the metallic property, non-metallic property, valence, electron valency. Now next is ionization enthalpy. Let us see how this vary across the period down the group. Before that, we should know what ionization energy is. Okay. Now it is the energy required to remove an electron from an isolated gaseous atom. So now if this is your atom, so this is nucleus, okay, so there can be number of shells depending on your depending on where your atom resides in the periodic table. Okay, this, if this is the your valence electron, now see electron have negative charge, nucleus means there's a proton, right, and that have positive charge. The negative and positive charge, there is every time what attraction. Okay, so there is attraction between electron and nucleus. Now in order to remove this electron, so we have to overcome this force of attraction. Right? So you जुन चाहिँ force of attraction छ, यसलाई if we can able to break it and if we remove it, okay, then only what will happen, the electron can release from an atom, right? So that means, so every time whenever electron, in order to release electron, okay, so energy is required. In order to remove electron, energy is required. Okay, that energy is what called ionization energy. Now if your like this attraction is strong, our attraction strong, so when more energy is required, and if this attraction between electron and nucleus, if it is less, then less energy is required. Now let us see what will happen to the ionization enthalpy down the group. Suppose we talk about your group 1. Okay, group 1 ma what is there? Lithium, sodium, potassium, okay, rubidium, etc. So lithium means how many shells? So it is in second period 2 shell. Then sodium, third period, so it will have now 3 shell. Okay, and potassium, it is in fourth period, so it will have now 4 shell, right? And where are the electrons? भन्दाखेरि last or by valence electron जहिले पनि it will reside at the last electron, fourth ma for potassium, for sodium third ma हुन्छ, and for lithium it is in second period, right? Now if we compare the attraction, now in this case lithium and lithium ko case ma this electron and proton, right, the distance between the two is short, हैन, the two are very close, हैन, so यता के छ, attraction छ high. Okay, now yeah, now what is happening, alikati further away, right, and here again attraction cha, but like they two are like far away, right? So attraction यता के हुन्छ तिम्रो medium हुन्छ, हैन, attraction alikati कम्ती हुन्छ. त्यहाँदेखि now here potassium ko कुरा गर्दाखेरि, now see the valence electron and nucleus are very far from each other, right? So यता के हुन्छ, energy attraction तिम्रो far छ भने attraction कम्ती हुन्छ, so यता attraction less low छ. Okay, so अब जहाँ मैले I've already told you high attraction, so high attraction छ भने, okay, high energy, high ionization enthalpy चाहिन्छ. Now and the attraction तिम्रो डिपेन्ड गर्छ डिस्टेन्समा. सो हाई एट्र्याक्सन भनेपछि क्लोज हुनु पर्यो. ओके, भेरी क्लोज योर इलेक्ट्रोन एन्ड न्युक्लियस, क्लोज हुनु पर्यो, हैन. हाई एट्र्याक्सन क्लोज हुनु पर्यो योर इलेक्ट्रोन एन्ड न्युक्लियस. सो इफ वी सी हियर, सो सबसे ज्यादा एट्र्याक्सन लिथियममा छ, त्यहाँदेखि सोडियम, देन पोटासियममा कम्ती छ. सो वाट इज ह्यापनिङ टु द एट्र्याक्सन अन गोइङ डाउन द ग्रुप, इट इज बिकमिङ लेसर एन्ड लेसर, राइट? सो आयनाइजेसन एन्थाल्पी पनि के हुन्छ, लेस हुन्छ. आयनाइजेसन एन्थाल्पी डिक्रिजेस डाउन द ग्रुप ड्यू टु इन्क्रिज इन द नम्बर अफ शेल or due to increase in your atomic size. Okay, on moving down the group के हुँदैछ तिम्रो atomic size increase हुँदैछ. So atomic size increase हुँदाखेरि what will happen, तिम्रो जुन चाहिँ attraction छ between your electron nucleus कम्ती हुन्छ and it become easier to remove. Down the group, ionization enthalpy decreases due to increase in atomic size. Now across the period. So across the period, suppose timro lithium cha, then beryllium, boron, right? Carbon, nitrogen. So we have already done like across the period what will happen to the atomic size. It becomes smaller and smaller because of increase in the effective nuclear charge. Okay, so the size small हुनु को मतलब के हो, attraction तिम्रो के हुनु हो, increase हुनु हो between electron and nucleus, between electron and proton. So across the period atomic size के हुँदैछ, small, smaller, right? Atomic size smaller. So ionization enthalpy अब के हुन्छ, increase हुन्छ across the period because your electron र nucleus को distance कम्ती हुन्छ या attraction between your electron and proton increases and hence the ionization enthalpy. So ionization enthalpy, what is it? It is energy required to remove electron from isolate atom. Down the group, it decreases due to increase in size, and across the period, it increases due to decrease in due to increase in your effective nuclear charge. Now next electronegativity. Ionization enthalpy electron remove garnu ho. Okay. Tara electronegativity means relative tendency of atom to attract the shared electron pair of electron toward itself. Suppose timro hydrogen and chlorine cha. Now hydrogen, the two are different atom, right? Different atom means the two will have different atomic size, right? So if the two have different atomic size, that means they have different electron pulling tendency. अब hydrogen र chlorine मा कसले electron बेसी attract गर्छ. Okay, so त्यो attract गर्छ मैले त बताइदिहाल्छु क्लोराइडले. So hydrogen र chlorine मा chlorine को like electronegativity, electron pulling tendency बेसी हुन्छ. So chlorine will pull electron toward itself. Okay, र यो partial gain गर्दछ. So partial negative, partial of your electron pair यसले के गर्दछ, attract गर्दछ. So partial negative यसले partial lose गरेछ. So partial positive हुन्छ. Okay, now again electronegativity means your relative tendency of an atom to attract shared pair of electron. त्यति नै हो. Now down the group. So down the group के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि again your electronegativity like depends on size, हैन. So तिम्रो size मा depend गर्छ. तिम्रो जति सानो size, किनभने like यसले के गर्नु पर्यो, attract. जब attract को कुरा हुन्छ, attraction, हैन, attraction को कुरा हुन्छ, त्यसमा तिम्रो कोकोसको बीचमा attraction हुनु पर्यो प्रोटोन र अब आउँदैछ नि त इनकमिङ इलेक्ट्रोन को बीचमा के हुनु, attraction हुनु पर्यो. र attraction को लागि like distance के गर्छ, डिपेन्ड गर्छ. डिस्टेन्स मा तिम्रो जति छेउमा हुन्छ, क्लोजर जति क्लोजर, ओके, मोर अट्र्याक्सन. तिम्रो प्रोटोन एन्ड इलेक्ट्रोन जति तिमीहरूको के हुन्छ, दे लाइक इफ दे आर क्लोजर टु इच अदर देन मोर अट्र्याक्सन will take place. So that means attracting power बढेर जान्छ for that particular atom. Okay, now down the group. अब तिम्रो closeness को कुरा आयो. Closeness obviously it depends on size. Okay, so if your atomic size increases then the closeness between your nucleus, okay, and electron के हुन्छ, decrease हुन्छ. So far away पुग्छ भनेपछि closeness कम्ती हुन्छ र attracting power पनि कम्ती हुन्छ. So त्यसले गर्दा electronegativity decreases down the group. Why? Due to increase in atomic size. Okay, then across the period. So across the period के हुन्छ, size obviously we know that size decreases, हैन. So त्यसले गर्दाखेरि electronegativity के हुन्छ, increase हुन्छ due to increase in effective nuclear charge, you can write, or you can write decrease in atomic size. Na? So electronegativity, it is like ionization enthalpy electron निकाल्ने कुरा आउँछ, electronegativity electron तान्ने, attract गर्ने कुरा आउँछ. Okay, across the period के हुन्छ यो it increases and down the group it decreases. So fluorine is most electronegative. Okay, most electronegative. So you can't say you extreme right macha. So xenon or like they have valency 0, so they do not have like tendency to lose electron or to tendency to gain electron. So fluorine, okay, group 17 ko kura huncha. So fluorine is the most electronegative element in periodic table. Fine. Okay, so we have like physical property paryo ke cha, atomic radius, metallic property, non-metallic property, valence electron, valency, right? Then ionization energy, electron negativity. So we know atomic radius, distance between your nucleus and your valence shell, metallic property, tendency to lose electron, non-metallic property, tendency to gain electron, valence electron, you know very well, valency, right? Ionization and energy, tendency to lose electron, electronegativity, tendency to gain electron. Now atomic radius down the group increases due to increase in atomic size. Across the period it decreases due to increase in effective nuclear charge. Metallic property, तिम्रो atomic size increase भएकोले गर्दाखेरि losing tendency बढ्छ, it increases down the group, and across the period it decreases. Non-metallic property just ulta huncha, metallic property decreases down the group, increases across the period. Valence electron, it remains constant down the group. Okay, so if you go down the group, sabai element ko ke huncha, like valence electron valency, it remain constant, and your valence electron across the period increase huncha. Such as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 huncha, last ma chai 0 huncha. Okay, now 8 huncha. Now valency ke huncha, again down the group it remain constant, but across the period it increases up to 4. Okay, then again it decreases to 0. Ionization enthalpy, just now we discussed, right? Decreases down the group, increase in atomic size le garda, and increases across the period due to decrease in atomic size or increase in effective nuclear charge. Electronegativity decreases down the group and increases across the period. So this is main chart. यो तिमीले याद गर्नु पर्यो. Okay. So let us now discuss 5 questions. So from this chapter. An element has its electronic configuration 2, 8. Element ko electronic configuration 2, 8 and 2. So now answer the following question. Number A ma, okay. What is the atomic number of this element? So this is, so atomic number. So if you add electrons, okay, from all the shells, you will get atomic number. So 2 plus 8 plus 2 gardakheri you will get is kati 12. So atomic number 12 हो. Then atomic number actually is number of electrons la. Now B ma ke cha, what is the group of this element? Group ko kura garda electronic configuration ko valence, like electronic configuration ko valence electron le batauncha group. So group huncha timro 2 cha. So 2 नै हो. Now C मा छ तिमीहरुको, to which period does it belong? So अब तिम्रो यता period कति हुन्छ? So you have to count, right? So count गर्नु पर्यो तिमीले. So count गर्दाखेरि जस्तो 1 2 and 3, so कति हुन्छ 3. Okay? Okay, so period कति हुन्छ 3. So first cell, second cell, third cell, so 3. Now D मा छ, with which of the following element would this resemble? Like अब तिम्रो resemble गर्नुको लागि, so your it has to be in same group. So group same हो हैन, group 2 हुनु पर्यो, valence electron same हुनु पर्यो. Okay, so for that you need to write down the electronic configuration. जस्तै nitrogen को दिएको छ 7. Okay, so electronic configuration is 2 5. Then beryllium 4 cha, electronic configuration 2 2. Okay, argon कति भयो 18. So electronic configuration 2 8 and 8. र last chlorine which is 17 and electronic configuration 2 8 and 7. Fine. अब यहाँ हेर, so like valence electron कति छ 2 छ for beryllium. So and this have again, this element have again same, right? 2 valence electron. So कुनसँग resemble गर्छ? Answer D को answer is beryllium. Now next question, which element has 2 shell, both of which are completely filled? So what you do is like draw the structure A को लागि diagram बनाइदेऊ, nucleus, first shell and second cell, or in no गर्दा पनि हुन्छ, like KL लेखा. Okay, now so के भन्दैछ first पनि completely filled and second पनि completely filled, right? So 2 8 2 8. Okay, 2 shells both of which are completely filled. भन्दाखेरि तिम्रो के भयो? Sorry, this is not the correct answer. So correct answer is here this one, 2 8. Okay, 2 8 is here. If you add the number कति हुन्छ तिम्रो 10 हुन्छ, and 10 is atomic number of neon. So first को answer is neon. Okay, now the electronic configuration 282. So 282 गर्दाखेरि if you add all 282, so you will get is 12. Okay, so 12 कसको हो? Magnesium. The next are total of 3 shell with 4 electron in its valence shell. So there are like 3 shell K, L and M. So तिम्रो valence shell मा कतिवटा छ तिम्रो? How many? A total of 3 shell and with 4 valence shell भयो, third हुन्छ हैन. अन्त भित्रको 8 हुनु पर्यो, completely filled भयो मात्रै बाहिर जान्छ, isn't it? So त्यसले गर्दा 2 8 4 गर्दा like 14 भयो, and 14 कसको हो भन्दाखेरि silicon. Okay, then a total of 2 shell with 3 electron in its valence shell. So again we have only K, L कति छ? दुईटा मात्रै छ. So like तिम्रो valence shell second हुन्छ, right? In this case र कतिवटा इलेक्ट्रोन छ? 3 वटा छ. So first मा कतिवटा बस्नु सक्छ? 2 मात्रै. So 2 plus 3 गर्दा कति भयो? 5. 5 कसको हो? It is of boron, B. Twice as many as electron in its second shell as its first shell. So again दुईटा shell छ. So valence shell अब तिम्रो फर्स्ट सेलमा जहिले पनि कति बस्छ? 2 बस्छ, त्यो यादै छ. र सेकेन्ड सेलमा डबल हुनु पर्यो, ट्वाइस हुनु पर्यो. सो 2 इन्टु गर्दाखेरि 4 हुन्छ. सो 2 + 4 गर्दा कति हो? इट इज 6. सो 6 कसको हो? एटोमिक नम्बर कार्बनको. बुझ्यो? सो अगेन 2 सेल बोथ अफ विच आर कम्प्लिटली फिल्ड. दुईटा सेल छ KL. सेकेन्ड सेलमा म्याक्सिमम 8 बस्छ. सो 8 हुन्छ र 2 2 + 8 10 10 नियनको हो. इलेक्ट्रोनिक कन्फिगरेसन 282. इफ यु एड 12 12 म्याग्नेशियमको हो. A total of 3 shell, 3टा shell छ. Okay, so last cell मा 4टा इलेक्ट्रोन छ, 14 हो. 14 is your silicon को. And a total of 2 shell, दुईटा shell छ, 3 इलेक्ट्रोन छ लास्ट shell मा, so 5 हुन्छ बोरोन को. And तिम्रो सेकेन्ड सेल, फर्स्ट सेलमा जति छ सेकेन्ड सेलमा त्यसको ट्वाइस छ, डबल छ. सो 6 हुन्छ, 4 हुन्छ. 2 इन्टु 2 + 4 इज लाइक 6 विच इज एटोमिक नम्बर अफ कार्बन. ठिकै छ, यसरी गर्नुपर्छ है ल. Now next, in modern periodic table, which are metals among first 10 elements? So first element तिम्रो गर. So hydrogen, right? Helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen. Okay, 1 2 3 carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon. भयो. So अब यता metal, अब so यो तिम्रो though it is in group 1, so this is not metal, non metal मा हो. So metal यो पनि हैन, this is non metal. So lithium metal हो. Okay, beryllium is metal र boron तिम्रो metalloidहरुमा आउँछ, खासै lithium र beryllium मात्रै. Okay, boron is a metalloid. Now next 4 मा, so which property do all element in same column of the periodic table as boron have in common? So boron कुन चाहिँ period मा छ? It is in 13, right? So boron को मुनि aluminium, gallium हरु छ, भयो. So now, so eta what is common भन्दाखेरि down the group यिनीहरुको के common हुन्छ? So why they are in same, why they are placed in same group? So according to modern periodic table, they have same valence electron. Okay, all have same valence electron. Okay, and same valency, same valency. So in our group 13 ma valence electron 3 huncha and valency again 3. Okay, so this is answer for A. Ra B ma, so what property do all elements in same column of the periodic table has fluorine, as fluorine have in common? Again fluorine, chlorine, bromine. So again they have same valence electron. Okay, electron. So valence electron तिम्रो फ्लोरिनहरुको कुरा group 17 हो, so 7 हो. And valency पनि के हुन्छ? Same हुन्छ, same valency which is of 1. Okay, so तिम्रो common like के छ भनेर in a group भन्दाखेरि they will have same valence electron and same valency. The last question छ, the element of third period of periodic table छ, र which atom is bigger, Na or Mg? So Na र Mg, so this is across the period, right? Across the period atomic size के हुन्छ, decrease हुन्छ. So Na is bigger. Okay, why? So why भन्दाखेरि because, okay, like because it have less effective nuclear charge. Okay, effective nuclear charge than that of magnesium. भयो, magnesium like across the period के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि like के हुन्छ तिमीहरूको जुन चाहिँ इफेक्टिभ न्युक्लियर चार्ज इन्क्रिज हुँदै जान्छ र साइज डिक्रिज हुन्छ. सो Na बिगर्छ किनभने यसको इफेक्टिभ न्युक्लियर चार्ज म्याग्नेसियम भन्दा के हुन्छ, कम्ती हुन्छ. सो बीमा छ कुन चाहिँ मेटालिक हो, कुन चाहिँ नन मेटालिक हो है, सोडियम मेटल हो. सो अक्रस द पिरियड मेटालिक प्रपर्टी डिक्रिज हुँदै 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 जान्छ. सो सोडियम, म्याग्नेसियम, एल्युमिनियम पनि आउँछ. सो दिज आर लाइक मेटल्स. ओके, र तिमीहरूको अब सिलिकनहरू तिम्रो मेटलोइडमा आउँछ, फस्फरस, सल्फर, क्लोरिन. सो दिज आर नन मेटल्स. ओके, सो यो तिमीहरूले याद राख्नु. So thank you all. So I'm sending you this. So you are going to do this in copy.